Hello my fellowship friends. In this video I'll show you how I transformed the oars of my bounty boat from being brand new after I just assembled them, looking like this, to looking very aged after surviving weeks of harsh conditions at the sea. Using weathering techniques I was able to give the oars texture, adding depth, mimicking the harsh conditions they survived, looking like this. As always, leave comments, leave suggestions, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and let's see how I made these oars looking like this. Now it's time to make the oars for the bounty boat. To do this, the flat blade needs to be fitted into the round shaft, and that's not as easy as it sounds. Both parts have the same diameter, but one is rectangular and the other is round. It may be tempting to simply glue them together or fix them with a small nail, but that wouldn't be very strong and certainly not authentic. So I'll show you how to insert the blade into the shaft without risking a split. First, I sand away the burnt laser cut edges so they won't interfere with the weathering process later on. And then I file the base of the blade so it tapers smoothly. You can see the taper here, and now I need to prepare the shaft so the blade can be inserted securely. From experience, I know that carving directly into the shaft often causes it to split. Instead, I drill a small hole with a 1mm drill bit down to the point where the blade will sit. That hole marks the depth where the blade will be inserted. To open this slot, I use a figure saw and make two parallel cuts to each other. Here you can see the first cut, and here is the second, and it's now easy to remove the middle section cleanly. This method gives you much more control without the risk of splitting the shaft. my oars are handmade, as you just saw, and I wanted each of them to tell its own story. Some have scratches, some are faded, others darkened at the handles from use. I used a mix of dry brushing and pigments to give them a sun-beaten look and added darker washes where hands would have gripped them over and over again. Throughout the process, I sealed the work with matte or satin varnishes, depending on whether I wanted a dry, chalky effect or a slightly used, oily surface.